How to set wallpaper from Zedge as your home or lock screen. First of all, open the Zedge app and go to Wallpapers tab at the bottom of the screen. Browse to the wallpapers by category or use the search bar to find a wallpaper that fits your style. Once you find a wallpaper you like, tap on it to open the preview. Then tap the download button inside the purple circle. You will see several options like make 3D parallax, set wallpaper, set lock screen, set boot, adjust, and save to media folder. Tap the set wallpaper option to make it your home screen wallpaper. After selecting, the wallpaper will be applied immediately to the screen you choose. If you tap on the set lock screen option, it will set the wallpaper as your lock screen. If you choose the set boot option, the app will set the wallpaper as both your home and lock screen wallpaper. Now you know how to set a wallpaper from Zedge as home or lock screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.